Hello, good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to your social studies class. I am Priyanka Minocha. So let us continue with map skills today. We have already studied about Indian political map. We have studied that there are 28 states and 8 union territories present in India as on March 2020. Let us continue with world map today. Let's see in detail. We will be studying about world map today. So there are 7 continents and 5 oceans present in the world. Today we will be studying about the continents that are present in the world in detail. In next video we will be taking the oceans. Continents are massive land masses found on the earth surface. From largest in size to the smallest, they are Asia, Africa, then North America, then South America, then Antarctica, Europe and Australia. So Asia is the largest continent, then Africa, then North America. So in this way they are organized from largest to smallest. Asia is the largest and most populous continent with more than 4 billion people. It is located in the northern hemisphere. There are 48 countries present in Asia. You can see in this map the location of Asia is given are India, China. These all are part of Asia only. Africa is the second largest continent and it is also the second most populated continent after Asia. It is the continent from where the equator passes. So it lies in northern hemisphere also and it lies in southern hemisphere also. Africa with 54 countries. Africa is the second largest continent. Okay. Longest river, that is the Nile, that is present in Africa only. The Sahara in northern Africa, it is the largest hot desert present in the world. North America is the continent which lies in the northern hemisphere. It is the third largest continent. It has 23 countries. It is the fourth populated continent after Asia, Africa and Europe. It comes in fourth at the number, and here United States, which is the richest country in the world, is present in North America only. See in the map you can see the location of North America. Then comes the South America. It lies in the western hemisphere, mostly in the southern hemisphere, and some of the small portion of it lies in the northern hemisphere also. It has 12 countries. The largest river, that is Amazon River in volume, is present in South America. And the world's largest rainforest, that is Amazon River Basin, is also present in South America. See in the map. Antarctica is a continent which lies in the southernmost hemisphere of the earth. It is the continent, it is the coldest continent because almost 98% of it is covered with ice. It is the windiest, driest and the least populated continent present among all the continents. Beautiful penguins that can survive the cold weather that can be found here. It is the fifth largest continent, almost twice the size of Australia. Europe is the sixth largest continent present in the world. It is separated from Asia through Ural mountains that separate it from Asia. Then there are many waterways like Ural River, Caspian and Black Seas. They separate it from Asia. Here Russia is present. Russia is a country which has the largest population and it is also the largest country present in the whole world. Vatican City, which is the smallest country, is also present in Europe only. Australia is the smallest continent present in the world. It is a island continent because it is surrounded by water from all the sides. You can see in the map, Australia is surrounded by water from all the four sides. That is why it is called island continent. Now you have to write all these continents in your notebook and then you have to take a world political map and you have to mark these continents. This is a world map. All the continents are marked here. You have to learn these location of these continents. We will be studying each and every continents in detail in later map skill activities that we will be doing. In next video I'll be sharing the oceans. Okay, we will be studying about 5 oceans that are present in the world. I hope this video will enhance your map skill. If you have any query, please write in the comment box with your name and section. I will be answering to all your queries. Thank you for watching, students. Take good care of yourself and please like and subscribe to my channel also.